Hey guys, and welcome to another segment in our WeVideo tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television. Today we will be showing you how to make a video in slow or fast motion using WeVideo, which is the act of speeding up or slowing down a clip. When you use this effect, you can show a sped up or slowed down version of a video, just like this.
Hey there guys, and today we're going to be learning how to speed up or slow down clips on WeVideo. Let's get started. First off, you want to go ahead and open up WeVideo and go to the project that you are working on currently. This is mine. You then want to take the clip that you want to speed up or slow down and drag it down to whatever video line you want. Now we want to edit this clip. You can do that by either double clicking it or just clicking the pencil icon. Now you immediately want to go to the last tab when you open it, and you want to go to it looks like a little speedometer, and that's where you're going to measure your speed. To speed up the clip, you want to move the bottom value to the fastest, which is all the way to the right. You can then preview this by looking at it on your little preview tab to the right. If you want to make it slower, make it down to here. Again, preview over here. In this case, I want to make mine faster. I don't want it to be too fast though, so I might just lower it down to maybe 7. Perfect. Next, you want to go smooth in and out. Then, after you've made all your editing changes and you know that this is what you want and you have the clip that you need, you're then going to hit the blue Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. When you do this, you can tell that the clip either got longer or shorter depending on whether you sped it up or slowed it down. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.